welcome back. So today, taking another ride, beautiful day out here. So me and King are gonna ride around, maybe just head downtown again and talk about a few things. So yeah, just stay tuned.
Alright, y'all, about to head out. So first topic of discussion, my mirror. So the day before yesterday, I was at work, and I usually park my bike like on the sidewalk, even though it's illegal, because people in Camp Creek cannot drive. So I parked my bike on the sidewalk like I always do, and then my friend came to see me right before I got off, so I just moved it next to where we were parked, and I'm just sitting in the car with them, and you know, whenever they left, I was going to get on my bike and go. But while I was sitting in the car, this lady backs right into my bike. I was so mad. So then, like, she gets out the car, and like her daughter's like, she didn't see it, and I was so mad, y'all. So like backed into it, hit it kind of like on the left side of the tail end, and knocked it over and went to the right side. Broke off my bar end that was here, to have a bar end on this side. Knocked this one off, it's like shattered in pieces. Thank God it was there though, because that did help a lot with the impact. And then broke my mirror. So yeah, thank God she had insurance, because I need this to be paid for. I've literally had this bike running for less than like a couple of weeks now. So I was so mad. Yeah, I got off at the wrong exit, first of all, but it's all good. Last time I came down that side street, it was like covered in mud, so I'm just glad they didn't have mud all over it. But yeah, not bad for first ride since King was knocked over. No mechanical issues that I could see, so it's good. The temp's been pretty steady. Right now it's 215, which is pretty normal for like sitting after I've been riding pretty hard. So yep. All is well. Just gonna pull up to the BP, see if I see anybody I know. If not, I head home. Tell me like what you want me to talk about, because honestly I get caught up in riding and I don't really talk much because I have so much fun riding. But I want to talk to you guys, and I just want to know like if you have questions for me, or like even like people who ride, if you have tips for me, like the way I ride, anything that you think I can work on, please let me know. I take criticism very well, like, and I want to become the best rider I can be while I ride. And yeah, if you have any advice for me, I'd gladly take it. What else? And you know, people do have questions about me, like not related to riding, but I'm more than happy to answer those. Like, I love to talk, but I just gotta have something to talk about. So yeah, in the comments, leave comments on what you want me to talk about. What do you want me to talk about during my next ride? What questions do you have for me? What advice do you have for me as a new rider? And yeah, I would love to interact with you guys. So thanks for watching. I'm just gonna head home, so feel free to watch me drive home.